How you add Nearpod to your Schoology course. One is making sure that you've logged into Nearpod, you've set up the Nearpod, you have it in your library. So that's the first thing you need to have the Nearpod in your Nearpod library at nearpod.com. Then in Schoology, all you have to do is click this Add Materials button, click Nearpod right here on the menu, and it's going to load up your library to choose the Nearpod itself. So let's say I'm going to add this one. I advise you to always in Schoology to add the student paste version. So we'll click student paste button and it's going to add it to my Schoology course. So this is what it will look like. It will look like this right here in your Schoology course. Students will just click on it and then it will load up right here, stay in Schoology. Students will be able to log in and join the student pace session, and they'll be able to navigate it, they'll be able to go through it, and they'll be able to answer any questions that are within the slide deck. So they can actually do all the activities. It's just student paced. Now, where you see their responses as the teacher, those responses will be on Nearpod's website. So you would go to nearpod.com, and when you're here on the left-hand side as a teacher, you'll go to reports. And this is where you're going to see the students' responses, the activity of the students within that Nearpod presentation you have in Schoology. So you would just click on that and you'll be able to see the session and see all the different students that have logged in, and you can click on each of the elements and see how they did. So you still will need to go to nearpod.com to see the activity reports from what the students are doing in it. But it's a really nice way that you can add Nearpod to your Schoology course, and the students can actually complete those Nearpods right there, staying in Schoology. They don't have to go anywhere else. They don't have to join a code. So it's all in this one-stop hub here in Schoology.